Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. Today I bring for you bob. It's really nice and easy. I hope you're going to like this hairstyle for bob. I bring for you for cornrows and braids and other things. You can put beads. It's really nice like this. It's really nice like this. It's really nice and simple. It makes you comfortable when you plait bob. You feel like you don't have anything in your head. Okay guys, so I just say today I bring for you bob. Okay, when you see like this, it's really simple and nice and it makes you feel smart, beautiful, and feel comfortable. So I hope you're going to like it. You're going to enjoy this video like this. This is braids. Actually, you can put beads down. So even this this is cornrows, but it's bob. It really makes you feel comfortable like this one. It really makes you feel comfortable, easy and smart. Look at this. See this one. It's really nice, simple like this. Anyone you can put the actual bob. Okay, this is for your hair. If you have a long hair, you can do like this. Look at this. Look at this. It's really nice. It makes you feel comfortable, elegant, woman. So if you really want something simple, it makes you comfortable. That's why today I bring for you bob. Look at this. It's really simple, nice. Okay guys, so I'm still share with you different picture or hairstyle, bob, cornrows, braids. I'm still share with you. So I want to tell you, don't forget to subscribe, comment and like. Look at this. Even this one really simple, not and nice. Look at this. It's really nice. Really nice. Simple. Really. See this one. Wow. You see? As a mom, you can print something simple. It makes you feel comfortable, feel simple. So even this one is really nice. It's really nice. Wow, this is really nice, beautiful, simple. So wow, this is actually your natural hair, but if you don't have long hair like this, you can add something. So guys, I think you're going to enjoy this video up to end, and God bless you more. Jesus coming soon. Stay prepared anytime, any day. You just stay prepared, and God loves you. See you for next video, and don't forget to subscribe, comment, and